Hello friends, welcome once again. Now you are aware that I conduct this program composite batch where I take the concept of self-management leadership and SSB interview training by the name of Armed Forces Officers Selection Orientation Program. Now these two programs are appreciated by Director DIPR. This is the letter from Dr. DIPR, Dr. Manas K. Mandal, where he says, I appreciate the concept of AFOSOP and assisted introspection. Today, assisted introspection is this program is conducted by the name Self-Management Leadership, which acts as the foundation for the leadership and personality development, and is not confined to SSB, but it's larger than SSB, and even civil services boys and girls are appearing for this, and even people from diverse background are appearing for this. And these are 2 weeks of SML classes and 2 weeks of SSB classes. As of now, the maximum duration that we are giving presently is 4 weeks. Now, I have not been publishing the success stories of Air Force UP or the composite batch ka jo hai. Somehow I have not been very keen on doing that. Neither I tell my figures kitne mere weekly, monthly kitna hota hai. But of late people have started questioning me, sir, आपके बंदे recommend कहाँ हो रहा है, आपका content तो बहुत अच्छा है. So I thought I'll just see कि कितने क्या मैं आप लोगों के सामने present कर सकता हूँ. So we have couple of success stories. These success stories are mostly post COVID जो selection हुए हैं. Post COVID जब SSB दोबारा open हुआ उस time के कुछ मिले मुझे, वो 27 मिले हैं. Some of them, 3 of them are previously offline batch के थे, but they got recommended after the lockdown was relaxed and the SSB was held. So I thought I'll share with you here, so that if this is the criteria to establish that Air Force UP is a credible content, so be it. So I'll do that. You can talk to some of them, and maybe you can get a feedback also from some of them. So I'll start with the couple of boys and girls who have got recently recommended post COVID. So one of them is Devank Ashtankar. He is from Aurangabad, Maharashtra से है, NDA के लिए हुआ है, and his mobile number is given here. Now in his batch, 23 candidates got recommended out of the 70 who were screened in, which is phenomenal. And he could not clear his CPSS. CPSS का first stage he cleared, but he could not clear the PABT test जो होता पुराना, उसका उसमें नहीं हुआ. So he could not be considered for, he will not be considered for the pilot entry, but he will be absorbed for the ground duties entry. And देवांग का सबसे बड़ी बात ये था कि psychological test में TAT were very bad. मतलब मैं नहीं बोलूँगा. इनफैक्ट आई शो यू वन ऑफ हिज वीडियोज ऑफ हिज वेर ही स्पीक्स अबाउट दैट. सो यू कैन स्पीक टू हिम. हिज ओन TAT स्टोरी वॉज सो बैड कि मुझे बिल्कुल उम्मीद नहीं था कि इस बार निकल जाएगा, बट अदरवाइज अ फैंटास्टिक कैंडिडेट. हिज इंटरेस्ट इन करंट अफेयर्स GK वॉज सो गुड. पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन नॉट वेरी फिनोमिनल बट एडिक्वेट. और उसने काफ़ी जो जूम ग्रुप में वी हैव आवर डिस्कशन बैचेस उसके पर कर करके काफ़ी अच्छा उसने इम्प्रूव किया. एंड अ वेरी क्लियर कैंडिडेट्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ अपने स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेसेस को समझ के. एज ए 16-17 साल का लड़का, ही इज स्टिल इन द 12th स्टैंडर्ड. ही इज़ नॉट पास 12th स्टैंडर्ड. ही विल बी अपेयरिंग फॉर 12th. सो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में NDA क्लियर किया, फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में SSB क्लियर किया. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, ही हैड सीरियस प्रॉब्लम इन हिज स्टोरी राइटिंग. And he has been able to get over it, but I was not sure कि वो निकलेगा नहीं निकलेगा, क्योंकि he would have needed time. But then young age, high trainability and extremely willing to correct. So कुल मिला के देवांग becomes a perfect package जहाँ पे उसने अपने कमियों के ऊपर दबा के काम किया. एंड ही न्यू कि उसका मतलब एडवांस स्टेज ही न्यू कि मेरा इस बार होना मुश्किल है बिकॉज ऑफ द साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट के रिस्पॉन्सेज. बट देन एक्सेप्टेंस, विलिंगनेस टू करेक्ट, ऑल दोज थिंग्स वेंट इन हिज प्रॉब्ली फेवर. एंड फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में निकला. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग इज इसके बैच से 23 लड़के निकले आउट ऑफ 70, विच इज़ फिनोमिनली गुड कि एक बैच से 23 बंदे. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट टू काइंडली स्पीक टू हिम. ही इज़ फ्रॉम औरंगाबाद एंड इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सन टू talk to him. Good current affairs, good communication skills, good awareness of his own self. So Devang Ashtankar. Now Devang, I had taken him to in fact today morning I was taking a class for an institute called Armed Forces Preparatory Institute, AFP. ये नागपुर में है. They have a Vision 60 करके एक प्रोग्राम चला रहे हैं. And so अथर Pandit is the director of the Armed Forces Preparatory Institute, Nagpur, and his mobile number is 9922337601, and the second number is 9511266266. 172. Now, because of the COVID, he could not take 60 boys because of the lockdown restrictions and social distancing, all those things. So he has taken 45 boys. These are the 45 boys. Now, after 10th, Atharv is taking these boys after 10th, and they will remain with him for 2 years, and they will do the 11th and 12th, and along with the NDA written, SSB and the JEEE का जो examination है उसके लिए तैयारी कराते हैं. And those of you who want to go through this kind of a module जहाँ पे 2 years का 11th 12th along with that NDA and engineering examination का चाहिए, Atharv, since I'm directly involved with him for 2 years, these boys जिनका ये photo दिख रहा, they are currently in their class 11. Next year they'll go to the 12th. So Atharv can be contacted in case if somebody is interested. I'll give you more details about him. उसका नंबर पे आप बात कर सकते हो. एंड जो लोग साइंस स्ट्रीम से ले रहे हैं उनको ही, क्योंकि दे विल बी बोथ प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इंजीनियरिंग एग्जामिनेशंस, एनडीए एंड 10+2 टीएस के लिए. तो देवांग ने आज इन बच्चों से बात किया था. इनफैक्ट एक्सीडेंटली इस कॉल केम व्हेन आई वाज कंडक्टिंग अ प्रोग्राम फॉर सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट लीडरशिप क्लासेस फॉर दिस APS स्टूडेंट्स एट नागपुर. तो इंसिडेंटली देवांग का कॉल आ गया, तो आई गॉट हिम ऑल्सो इन टू द जूम ग्रुप एंड ही इंटरेक्टेड. सो दैट वीडियो आई विल शेयर विद यू, तो उसे देखना. एंड लाइक these boys, Devang is also currently in his 12th. He has not even finished it. So before 12th finish किया, he has already been into the NDA through हो चुका. So that's fantastic. So request you to speak to him, and I'll upload the video of his interaction, Devang's interaction with the AFPS students. Now, next is Rajesh. He's again recommended recently for NDA. He was an online candidate with us. So congratulations to Rajesh. नंबर उनसे दिया हुआ है, आप बात कर सकते हो राजेश ने कैसे प्रिपेयर किया हुआ है. तो राजेश इज़ हियर, सेम बंदा राजेश. उसी के साथ एक और बंदा है, ये चेस्ट नंबर 117. हिज नंबर इज़ प्रणव. सो प्रणव इज़ एन एन एक्स एयरफोर्स का स्टूडेंट है. ही वॉज ए ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट but he gave his interview along with it. So उसका interview delay हो गया था because of COVID. So actually he got recommended right now only. His father is a serving colonel in the army. So he interesting person to speak to him. He also had certain deficiency. He was too mild and too soft to speak, unlike Rajesh. तो कैसे he got over it, आप जरूर इनसे बात करना, प्रणव से. His number I've given. नेक्स्ट इज साहिल सिंह. ये नेवी के लिए INET से 10th अटेम्प्ट में गया. सो इट बी इंटरेस्टिंग. 10th अटेम्प्ट में साहिल सिंह ने यहाँ से क्या कॉम्पोजिट बैच से SML एंड एयरफोर्स पे क्या सीखा. इट विल बी इंटरेस्टिंग टू स्पीक टू हिम. हिज नंबर इज गिवन हियर. साहिल सिंह 10th अटेम्प्ट में INET के लिए क्लियर हुआ है. नेक्स्ट इज नमन सिंह, अगेन फॉर NDA. हिज नंबर इज गिवन हियर. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू नमन ऑल्सो. ये सब पोस्ट कोविड वाले हैं और ऑनलाइन बैचेस वाले लड़के हैं. मैं इन चीज़ों को पब्लिश नहीं करता था, इसलिए यू वुड नॉट हैव बीन अवेयर कि मैं इन सबको कभी प्रमोट नहीं किया. नाइदर आई डोंट नो कितने हफ्ते में कितने होते हैं, लेकिन दे आर ऑल गुड मार्केटिंग टूल. मुझे ये लगा कि मेरे कंटेंट के बेस पे ही चल जाएगा, लेकिन आप लोग ये सब पूछते हो तो आई थॉट आई पुट देम. Next is Anmol Agnihotri. Now she is again a girl who has gone for FCAT pilot entry के लिए. So she also cleared. और अनमोल ने अपना ना सिर्फ SSB फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्लियर किया, CPSS को भी फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्लियर किया फॉर पायलट एंट्री. एंड अनमोल हैड जॉइंड ओनली फॉर SSB, नॉट फॉर SML. बट अभी राइट नो अनमोल की यंगर सिस्टर, उसका नाम है कनक अग्निहोत्री, शी हैज़ जॉइंड एंड अनमोल हैज़ मेड श्योर कि शी हैज़ जॉइंड नॉट ओनली फॉर SSB बट फॉर SML ऑल्सो, बिकॉज अनमोल रियलाइज द SML इज quite powerful in terms of the life. And उसने क्या बोलते हैं अपनी सिस्टर को instead of only SSB उसको कनक अग्निहोत्री को SML में भी ज्वाइन किया, composite batch. And currently she is in the batch and I am very very hopeful कि like Anmol Agnihotri, her younger sister Kanak Agnihotri also is showing a lot of potential. So I wish Kanak also in advance. And Anmol को congratulations, a fantastic girl with lot of clarity, बहुत stability के साथ. I will try and see if I can get interviews of these recommended candidates like many others do, because I feel कि that is also important. मैं somehow ये चीज़ों के ऊपर ध्यान नहीं देता था, but I realize कि I have to show that I have results, so I'll do that. So next is Tanya Agarwal. She is from Noida, Delhi. ये भी FCAT pilot entry के लिए गई है ना. तान्या के साथ इंटरेस्टिंग ये है कि शी इज़ ऑलरेडी अ पायलट. शी इज़ ऑलरेडी ए पायलट लाइसेंस होल्डर, शी होल्ड्स ए कमर्शियल पायलट लाइसेंस एंड इसका जॉब भी आई थिंक इंडिगो में लगा हुआ था, लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ करोना लॉकडाउन वो उसको फ्लाइट सब ग्राउंड हो गए थे, तो आपको पता है फ्लाइट्स का क्या हाल हो गया था कोरोना में. सो तानिया कुड नॉट ज्वाइन, तो अपना कमर्शियल पायलट लेने के बाद शी कुड नेवर डू कमर्शियल फ्लाइंग. तो ऐसे ही बैठी हुई थी, तो शी सेड कि व्हाई नॉट अप्लाई फॉर एयर फोर्स. अगेन ए वेरी क्लियर हेडेड गर्ल. सो तानिया का ईमेल आईडी दिया हुआ है. सो शी इज़ ऑलरेडी ए कमर्शियल पायलट लाइसेंस होल्डर एंड recommended फॉर एफकैट पायलट एंट्री नेचुरली, है ना. सो दैट वाज तानिया अग्रवाल फ्रॉम नोएडा दिल्ली से, लॉकडाउन में है. लावण्या चौहान, नाउ शी इज़ माय एसीसी में मेरे से 1.5 साल सीनियर, मेरे सीनियर थे. while I was in ACC, he was 1.5 years elder to me. His name is Colonel P.B. Chauhan. Colonel P.B. Chauhan is currently posted in NDA खड़गवासला. तो ये उनकी बेटी है, सो मेरे सीनियर की बेटी है. नाउ शी हैड अटेंडेड द ऑफलाइन क्लास, एंड ऑफलाइन क्लास होने के बाद एक बार ये कॉन्फ्रेंस आउट हो गई थी, एंड आफ्टर कोरोना लॉकडाउन का रिस्ट्रिक्शन खुलने के बाद सेकेंड टाइम व्हेन शी वेंट शी गॉट रिकमेंडेड फॉर शॉर्ट सर्विस कमीशन वुमेन नॉन टेक्निकल एंट्री. सो लावण्या's father is presently posted at NDA. So those of you from NDA, I'm sure you can meet her. कर्नल P.B. चौहान की बेटी है लावण्या. So congratulations Lavanya for your success. Next is Mayuresh Deepak Patil. Now Mayuresh Deepak Patil is recommended for NDA, and he is from a school called Defense Career Academy, Aurangabad. Now Defense Career Academy is an institution run by one Mr. Kedar Rahane, जिनके साथ मैं उस स्कूल के साथ मतलब year long I am attached. Every Saturday and Sunday I am conducting this self management leadership के classes and SSB के classes for them for the long term preparation for the 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th का बच्चों के लिए. And the response of the SML classes from the director has been phenomenal. So I'll share his number also. Those of you, any other school who wishes to conduct similar things. In fact, one more school is attached with me from Kerala, who are also conducting this program year long for their students, for their 8th, 9th, 10th and 10th, 11th and 12th students, self management leadership, so that they built up the personality from a early days itself rather than last month. And many of them not going for SSB, they are going for diverse career, but SML is universal, it is not limited to क्या बोलते हैं SSB. So Mayuresh Deepak Patil is from Defense Career Academy औरंगाबाद. His number is given here. और इसी के स्कूल से एक और बंदा recommend हुआ है, वो है तन्मय योगेश देशमुख. His number is also given here. He is also from DCA Aurangabad. So congratulations to both of you and for your outstanding क्या बोलते हैं success. In fact, Tanmay had come for the online class, but he got recommended post corona. This is the school that I was referring to. Tanmay or Mayuresh jo hai, they belong to Defense Career Academy at Aurangabad, like Armed Forces Preparatory Institute Nagpur, with whom I am associated for year long. Similarly with this school also I am attached from 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th के बच्चों के लिए year long self management leadership classes होता है. So any school who is interested, you can actually take a feedback from their director, Mr. Kedar Rahane. This school is owned by Mr. Kedar Rahane. The school is from LKG to 12th and large campus and all those things. जो भी आपको पता करना पता कर सकते हो. And any school who is wanting to contact with me and get into an agreement for the self-management leadership classes for your entire students, you can first take a feedback from Mr. Kedar Rahane and also from Athar Pandit from Armed Forces Preparatory Institute Nagpur, and you can contact me in case you feel that such a thing is required for your school also. His number is given 9225300527. Mr. Kedar Rahane, Director, Defense Career Academy, Aurangabad. Next is क्या नाम है जर्शवर्धन. नाउ ही इज recommended for service entry ACC के लिए. Now he was an offline student but got recommended after post corona. So service entry के लिए congratulations. I am myself a ex ACC commissioned officer. So to all service candidates, inspiration. I'm sure you'll speak to him and take a feedback. Next is Somnath, is again a service candidate for Indian Navy, Naval Armament Inspection cadre के लिए. सो सोमनाथ का नंबर यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, यू कैन स्पीक टू हिम। एंड सोमनाथ ने एक फीडबैक भी दिया हुआ है, वो फीडबैक मैं आपको एक बार पढ़ के सुनाता हूँ, व्हाट्सअप में दिया था, टाइप्ड इट हियर। सोमनाथ फॉर द Indian Navy का armament inspection वाला। Good evening sir, recommended for the Indian Navy Naval Armament Inspection Cadre, first attempt 2 Air Force selection of Mysore conference out, second attempt 12 SSB Bangalore recommended, that is this entry जिसमें अभी recommend हुआ। Thank you sir for your guidance, I'm grateful, points I took from last attempt to this one, preparing for interview does not happen, preparation has to begin in terms of changing daily life habits, not only for SSB but to grow as an individual. Interviews are easy part if the right habits are inculcated in pre-SSB life. That is emphasizing on preparation stage. Gap identify करके gap को fill करना, ना कि hide core quality and sprinkle oil क्यों। And being physically fit, being able to plan, prioritize, being a good a teammate and a leader again has to happen in daily life, needs to be practiced daily. Yes, you have to practice what you're going to show there. You cannot wear a mask and go there. So psych test is just who we are and we cannot do much about it no matter how many stories we write and practice. By writing stories you don't improve. When you improve, your stories will improve. क्या समझ में बताना अगेन, दिस विल कम विद अ माइंडसेट एटीट्यूड शिफ्ट। यस, 2% ग्रोथ माइंडसेट में आना पड़ेगा। एज यू ऑलवेज से सर, एसएसबी इज अ सबसेट ऑफ लाइफ, आई रियलाइज द ट्रुथ to it today. Now, thank you, sir. Seeking your blessing, and Somnath, Hyderabad. So this is a WhatsApp feedback from Somnath. Next is Krishna Gowda Patil. Now, Krishna Gowda Patil is a naval candidate who got recently recommended for the commission worthy entry. He was an offline student just before the close of the institute due to corona and recommended post corona. So Navy, he is a naval candidate, तो जो लोग Navy में है, you can speak to him and take a feedback. Krishna Gowda Patil, he was a very mild, he वैसे बड़ा लंबा चौड़ा, बड़ा mild था, शर्माता था, बोलने में झिझकता था, बड़ा candidate with he showed potential and he got cleared. So for commission worthy entry Navy के लिए. Next is Sai Swaroop KP. He is also recommended for the Indian Navy. His mobile number is given here. Now Kunal is a offline student who got recommended for the NDA subsequent to Corona के बाद में. Kunal is for NDA. I think his father is in the Navy और शायद वो INS अश्वनी में या नेवल कोलाबा में पोस्टेड है, I don't remember, but इतना याद है his father is a JCO equivalent in the Navy. Next is Atul Bharadwaj. Now Atul Bharadwaj ये सब ऑफलाइन वाले हैं. His father, Atul Bharadwaj के father is a serving brigadier. In fact, I had the fortunate opportunity to meet him while in service in Pune. So Atul Bharadwaj is again recommended for NDA. इसका कुछ वीडियोस भी मैंने डाल कर रखा हुआ है. I think I have already published it once. शायद अतुल का नाम I don't remember. You can speak to him. His father is serving brigadier. Congratulations Atul. Next is Gaurav Kumar. He is again क्या बोलते हैं, recommended for service entry. मतलब ये service candidate है Navy का. So इसका brother is also appearing for क्या बोलते हैं commission के लिए. तो Gaurav is a naval candidate and recommended for commission worthy entry. Gaurav Kumar has been recommended for CDS and short service in his 4th attempt. Gaurav Kumar, his number is given. Congratulations to Gaurav also. Aman was recommended for NCC special in his last and 11th attempt. His number is given here. Interesting to, I'll request you to all service अपना NCC candidates to speak to him, and also otherwise कि 11th attempt में इसको क्या मिला. He has actually previously taken a coaching also. He has also given a feedback through WhatsApp, so I'll put that also. Aman का feedback है. He says success grows on the tree of hard work. Success grows on the tree of hard work. I am very grateful to Colonel Ganesh Babu for coming with new concept of SSB. When I started my SSB preparation, got a lot of feedback regarding the AFOCP program. दूसरे दोस्तों से मिला होगा, है ना, and my mind got totally puzzled and same result in rejection from selection board. थोड़ा mix up कर दिया यहाँ पे. When I came to AFOCP and undergone the lifeline analysis session, this is part of the SML का session है, and followed by assisted introspection. This इसके अंदर SWOT analysis, Zohari window, force field analysis, and there are other modules to this. Systems approach to problem solving, cause effect relationship, which helped realize where I went wrong, and I started working on myself and finally earned my recommendation. Beautiful line. Finally I earned my recommendation, not cracked SSB. है ना, क्यों क्रैक करना है, इज्जत के साथ हो. द ब्यूटी ऑफ AFOSUB इज दैट इट विल नॉट ओनली हेल्प यू फॉर SSB but also help you to excel in every domain of life because it pushed you to move, actually pushes लिखना चाहिए था, move you out of your comfort zone and work consistently towards your goal. What he means to say is कि I keep saying SSB is a subset of life. आप SSB के लिए आते हो but SLML focuses on the life. So whether you get recommended for the SSB or not, there will be tremendous amount of changes within the life and various domains of life that I'm sure you will be feeling through the AFOSUB videos also. Now, Aman had previously taken coaching. I had previously taken coaching from Chandigarh. You can ask which coachings. They are not guiding any candidates in the right direction. Still following traditional methods like just conducting psychological tests, one-to-one interview from any one of the officers and giving feel of the GTO by conducting it on ground. I call it Shadi se pehle Suhagra, 10 PGT, 10 HGT, 2 command tasks. What you need to do is structure analysis. तो इन recommended candidates है, most of them are online वाले हैं, तो इनसे पूछना कि ये structure analysis कितना powerful है. देवांग से पूछना, जिसका वीडियो मैं अभी डालूंगा, कि पूरा दिमाग में स्ट्रक्चर को देखते ही दिमाग के अंदर आइडिया आ रहा है, बिकॉज ऑफ द फोकस एंड द शार्पनेस the way you are observing. In short, they are working on superficial level without working on the inside. What is the point of polishing the outside when there is no inside? You need to work on the inside. One more thing, that they are not giving complete clarity of SSB. Yes, I am telling you, I'll give you 500% clarity. आप clarity से परेशान हो जाओगे, इतना clarity आ जाएगा. Everyone told us about introspection, but how to do the same did not explain me. यहाँ पे you will exactly not only know introspection, you can help others how to do introspection. Actually, I'm a speaker for a spiritual organization called Brahma Kumari. I'm not a spiritual person, but because of certain life experience, I got into it. So I will not only say do introspection, I'll make you do. That's why assisted introspection, that is the name which the director DIPR has referred in his letter. Assisted introspection. Today that module is known by the name self-management leadership. I came to know in AFOSUP only through the concept of Zohari window. But sir, in AFOSUP not only gives in-depth insight of individual personality, but also gives independency to act in any situation. Yes, between the stimulus and the response you have the freedom of choice. और उस freedom of choice को अगर आपने अच्छा करना है, तो मैं बार बार बोलता हूँ, आपको 5 component को ठीक करना है. Self awareness, learning from the past experience, imagination, listening to your voice of the inner conscious, and independent will. जब इन 5 components को करोगे, you will know. So you don't need any coaching wala to tell you hide core quality and sprinkle OLQ. You will decide for yourself, because this is your life and your decisions are your responsibility, not kisi coaching wala like me. Also, it makes any individual to think logically for any type of situation, like you explained us in the cause-effect relationship. That is very helpful. Yes, whatever be the situation, the decision has to be rational. That will only happen when you activate your mind and intellect and function it the way I'm going to teach you in the self-management leadership classes. So there's no spoon feeding here. You're all grown-up adults wanting to become officers. So there is no spoon feeding. One thing I felt in FSOF training is that it does not, AFOSUP does not give any, डस का स्पेलिंग में एस छूटा हुआ है. AFOSUP training does not give any false assurance of recommendation, but prepared me to tackle every situation in life, be it SSB or be it life. Yes, AFOSUP does not recommend you guarantee through success. I am not claiming कि मेरा हर 2 हफ्ते में 3 होते हैं. ये सब मार्केटिंग है हमारा. मैं भी कर सकता था, मैंने भी वीडियो नहीं बना, बोल के मैंने कहा चलो डालता हूँ अभी. तो मैं कोई अभी भी एश्योरेंस नहीं दे रहा, मैं क्लैरिटी का एश्योरेंस दे रहा हूँ. कोर क्वालिटी को हाइड करने की जो ट्रेनिंग दे रहा हूँ उसमें क्लैरिटी नहीं है. मीठा झूठ है, लेकिन मैं कड़वा सच बताऊंगा. सुनने की हिम्मत हो तो आ जाओ. एट लास्ट वन थिंग आई से, डोंट गिव अप एंड वर्क हार्ड टू अर्न द सेम. यस, अर्न द सेम. डोंट क्रैक SSB. डोंट हाइड कोर क्वालिटी. इंटीग्रिटी के साथ खिलवाड़ नहीं. दैट्स माई एडवाइस. लाइक अमन. सो अमन का नंबर दिया हुआ है. आई एम श्योर देर आर कपल ऑफ मोर. मेरे को उनका नंबर फोटोग्राफ सब नहीं मिल रहा, तो उसका सेकेंड पार्ट में मैं उसको डाल दूंगा. सो आई होप this video inspires you to work hard on yourself. And those who wish to join the composite batch, 8275577650. This is the number on which you have to contact me, and I'll share you the details. And thank you, and may God bless you. Thank you very much.